What's up, Team Tormos? Jose here. I'm with you live here on our channel. We're going to do a little unboxing video for this brand new Traxxas Xmaxx 8S. It's unbelievable. I've been waiting for a long time to get this. Let's take a look around this little box to show you what I'm talking about. There it is, baby. The Xmaxx 8S by Traxxas. This thing is unbelievable. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos on it. We're going to unbox this right now, right? We're going to see what this is all about. Leo!
It's Xmaxx awesome time!
Xmaxx awesome time. Hey, what do you say we unbox this thing and see what it's all about?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it done. Let's get it done. What do you think, Leo? You excited about this?
Mm-hmm. And also on the back there's this awesome Xmaxx picture that looks like the Xmaxx is going through a red Xmaxx going through a giant dune of sand.
Oh, that's a radical picture. That can make a poster.
Yeah.
We can cut that out and make a sick poster. How do we know, Leo, how do we know what color the Xmaxx is that we bought?
Because of the side right here. Oh no, the side right here there's red, blue, and green. So this little white sticker right here tells you that this is the green Xmaxx.
Green Xmaxx.
Because it has a design.
All right, you've already opened this up. Let's go ahead and take a look at this bad boy. We'll roll this over. Woo, this thing is huge.
Oh my gosh.
Huge. Unboxing time. What do you think, man?
Awesome.
Look at you pulling that thing out. It's like a tug of war. Extreme close-up. Oh man, look at the size of that top. Put it down by your body. Let's just compare how tall you are compared to that thing.
It's like another foot and then it would be as tall as me.
Wow. All right, let's get this bad boy out and put some batteries in it. So Leo, what you got there?
I've got the Xmaxx cover.
What color you got there?
The green Xmaxx.
The green
cover.
machine. You excited about this?
Yes.
You know what that cover goes to?
The green Xmaxx. It has awesome.
Scoot back. It goes to this right here. That's what it goes to right there. Look at the size of this thing. Lay down next to it. Just lay down next to that bad boy.
It also has some awesome green shocks and some little green parts in there. The green, I don't know what they're called. Nuts, I think.
Look at the size of this Xmaxx compared to Leo.
It's like almost as tall as me.
Yeah, it's like you can get on it and ride that bad boy.
Yeah, but we already won't know.
All right, so guys, let's go ahead and talk about the battery next before we go ahead and put this on.
Put the cover on.
Yeah, put the cover on and put some batteries on. This is what it came with right here.
The battery box.
Yeah, let's put this bad boy right here.
Battery box over there.
Here's the batteries it came with. We got some Traxxas ID battery and charger completer pack.
4S
right?
battery. Each one is a 4S battery.
That's right, it's a 4-cell LiPo battery packs. They are. 2 of these bad boys right here should do the trick. And what this is going to do immediately is going to go ahead and identify what kind of battery you've got plugged in. LiPo or any other battery here, you can see. And then you got your modes, you got balance, fast, and store. The recommended here is for balance. And there's your charge status right here. Right, it'll tell you where it's at. And here's the button you push. You just keep it pressed and watch this. That's it. When you hear the button, right, when you hear that little tone, lets you know it's charging. There's a charge status light. You can see that this battery is dead. So when it charges all the way, this green light will be solid. You'll get some kind of alert. We'll plug it back into the Xmaxx, take it for a spin. We're talking some serious fun coming your way, guys. All right, guys, batteries are in the Xmaxx, as you can see. We've got both those batteries in there. Maximum power is going to turn on the remote. Turn the remote on, Leo, would you?
Okay.
And turn it on the back switch there. Make sure the light's green.
Yeah, that's not a light. That's a sticker.
Sticker. All right, the sticker's green. All right. Next thing I do is power it up. Where's the power button?
Right here.
Well, let me see.
Right there, where it says Easy 5E or SE.
All right, turn that bad boy on.
Easy set. That's.
There we go. We know it's on. Put the cover on. Put the cover on that bad boy. Guys, what do you think? We got a Traxxas Xmaxx 8S inside the house. Comment below. Let us know. Is it too powerful to be indoors? Should it only be outdoors? Let us know. What do you think, Leo? I think it sounds amazing.
Should we see if it can flip itself over?
Flip itself over in the house? Ooh, I don't know about that, man. All right, let me see what this does real so far.
Set button.
Oh, we got some tire action going.
Okay,
All right.
press the gas.
Let's see here. Whoa.
It's on.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, dude, it's in the house.
Holy smokes. Is this thing serious? We can't put this in the house. What's this doing here? Whoa.
Oh my God, it's down.
What do you think, Leo? Too strong? Too strong for the house?
Way too strong for the house. If this thing crashes into one of our walls, this thing might break. And also, if it goes off of something, if it goes off of something and it gets some air, and it flips over, it might scratch the floor or something.
Wow. I can't believe it. Watch the. I'm barely touching the throttle, guys. Watch out, Leo. Watch out. Barely touching it in reverse. Watch this. Barely touching it forward. Watch this.
It does a wheelie.
Whoa.
Barely touching the throttle.
All right, guys. I guess we answered our own question. We'll have to take this bad boy outside and test it. Unfortunately, the sun sets here at 5:45 p.m. in Florida, Central Florida. We're here in Orlando, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put a link to a video. We're going to take it out to a construction site, get this bad boy dirty. I'll go ahead and post the link below, and you guys can check out the video of Leo.
Wait, don't end the video.
Don't end the video.
Don't end the video. We're going to see the suspension on this thing.
The suspension on it? Let me see.
So here is how it is with no suspension doing. Here's the wheels for that.
Oh, yeah.
All the way to the floor.
Oh, that's massive.
All the way to the floor.
That can
And
definitely.
there's even a little green light in there for.
That can definitely take some jumps.
That can take jumps.
Sick. What do you think of your new Traxxas Xmaxx? What do you think, Leo?
It's really cool.
You happy?
Should we try this? Should we try to see if it flips over? Because we did see on a YouTube video that if you press the set button, it might flip over.
Not in the house. No way. You just saw how powerful this thing was. It's like a little beast.
A little
All right,
bit
guys, remember, comment below. Let us know what you think about your Xmaxx. Are you thinking of getting one? If you have one, are you thinking of getting one? What color?
Well,
Right?
right now in Central Florida, this was the very last green Xmaxx in Central Florida.
Yeah, they're sold out on Traxxas.com last time we checked, but you can check your local hobby store. They might have the color and the Xmaxx you guys like. Just a little tip there. If they're sold out on the website, go check out your local hobby shop. They might have it. That's where I got mine. Got mine at a hobby shop. Traxxas, you guys are amazing. Drop that bad boy. Let's see what happens. Yeah, that thing's sick. Waiting for some jumps. Xmaxx. All right, Leo, what you got? Final messages here for our YouTubers.
So, like and subscribe, and you'll see other videos for us. And also, check out our other video with me and my dad driving this Xmaxx in a construction site with driving on rocks and sand dunes.
Awesome.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, baby. You heard them first here. We got the Xmaxx 8S. We're going to take it on some sick jumps. And I can tell you right now, folks, when you go ahead and comment below what Xmaxx you're dealing with, blue, green, red, the limited edition orange, doesn't matter. They're all beasts. So be prepared for some fun in a box. That's what we got right here. All right? So again, I'll reiterate one more time, guys. Thanks for the support. Make sure you like, comment below, right? Also subscribe to our channel and make sure you smash that notification bell to get any updated alerts when we send another video about Xmaxx or anything else fun. All right? It's Team Tormos here, Daddy and Leo. What you got to say, Leo?
This Xmaxx is a beast.
It's a beast, guys. That's a wrap.